AI tools for business growth for businessmen and beginners. Hi everyone, welcome to SmartStep Learning AI for business growth. If you are a businessman and want to grow faster but don't know which AI tools actually help, this video is for you. Today I'll show you some of the best AI tools for business growth, explained in very simple language, no technical knowledge needed. Most business owner hear about AI everywhere, but the real problem is confusion. Today, too many tools, too much information, and finally no action. The truth is, you don't need many tools, you only need the right tool. So, tool number one, which you need for your business, is ChatGPT, your business assistant, the first and most important AI tool for for any businessman is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for writing professional email, replying to customers, creating social media caption, getting business ideas, planning your tasks daily. Think of ChatGPT as a smart assistant who can help you think and write faster. Now, tool number two is Canva. Design, design made easy. The second important tool is Canva. Many business owners struggle with design. Canva solves the problem. With Canva, you can create social media posts, design presentation, make your YouTube thumbnail, create poster and banners. You don't need to be a designer. Canva makes everything simple. Now the third tool is Gamma. Gamma AI presentation tool. If you want to make presentation for clients or training, Gamma is very useful. You just need to write topic and AI will create slides, add structure, make it professional. This saves lots of time. Now, tool number four is for AI for customer replies. Replying to customer again and again wastes time. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT for to create WhatsApp replies, draft email responses, answer customer common question. This helps you reply faster and look professional. Tool 5, AI for planning and ideas. Many business owners feel mentally tired. AI can help you plan your week, create to-do list, break big goals into small steps. This gives clarity and reduce stress. What actually should not do. Very important advice for beginners. Don't try all AI tools. Don't buy expensive tools immediately. Don't watch advanced tutorial first. Smart Start small, one tool at a time. Now the real result which you can see when you use the right AI tools, what you can do, you can save your time, you can reduce stress, you can work smarter, you can grow faster. So AI will not replace businessmen, but businessmen who use AI will move ahead. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe Smart Step Learning AI for business growth for more AI knowledge. Thank you very much for watching.